Okay, so good morning and good evening, everyone, and welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 25. Okay, and we are going to be start the last topic in the request management. So if I show you something, if I talk about something, we've done a lot of things. We understand that what is service portal, how it has been created. Then I can say about maintain item, maintain catalog, category. Then we see the workflow. Sorry, yes, workflow activities, core activities, which I mean. Then we see the catalog builder. Then we see that about the flow, that is which we discussed yesterday. And now we are going to be discuss the last two topics. Okay, which is not that much in I can say serious note, but yes, those are used a lot. Okay, so what we are going to be discussed today, let me open the notepad. Order guide record producer. Now let's see example. Come here. Okay, let's see example here. If Priya want to move in another house, okay, let's say she is moving from tenancy and becoming the owner now for a new flat. What are the things Priya need to do? She need to be get a documentation agreement with the builder. That builder is selling this house to Priya. She need to be update the nameplate outside his house. She need to be update the documentation in the government part regarding the taxes, electricity bill, water bill. She need to be informed to that society committee specifically that, hey guys, I shifted newly. What are the rules, regulation? Please tell me. She need to make sure that she paid the maintenance, or which we call as the council tax, on the regular basis. Now, either Priya started the journey in a new flat, either I started a journey in the new flat, either EB started a journey in the new flat, either Kumar started a journey in the new flat. Almost every step need to be done by all of us. Now let me convert this example to the IT part. Let's say Akanksha joined a new company. Okay. Now when you join a new company, what are the things a HR need to do for you? Number one, HR will create the user ID and the password so that you will be able to log in into the domain, company domain, or the company's portal. Number one. HR will raise a request for your employee ID as well. HR will raise a request to hand over a laptop to you. HR will raise a request to update your bank accounts. HR will raise a request to request for a new phone because they're giving to everybody. Okay. Now these are the things, if you see individually, these are nothing, these are only the catalog items for me. Raising a request for the getting employee ID is a request. Mobile phone is a request. Laptop is a request. Username ID password is a request. But now if I club these all catalog item in a one place, that become the order guide for me. What order guide says that it is a combination of multiple catalog items, but the trigger point is one place. It means now if I'm using the order guide, I don't need to be go to individual catalog items and request one by one. No, I'll just go to the order guide and do my part. To do this order guide, let me show you here. How first we'll see that how it's work actually. Let me show you. Okay, let's come on the portal. But it's taking a lot of time. Okay. Okay. And now let me come here. And do we have anything order guide here? No, we can search here. Let's see, did we find something? Yes. So this is the order guide for the new hire. It means when I joined a company or HR will do this thing on my behalf. What they're saying, it is a concept, it is a order guide for the new hire. Means if you're hiring any new person in your company, these things will be done for everybody. So instead of raising the 5 different requests, I will raise one request only. So now if I scroll down here, you can see who is your hiring manager. My hiring manager is, let's say, okay. What is group you person joining? I'm joining in the IT. These all are the variables. So nothing to be worried. What office they will report? I will report in the some office. Will your employer need anything non-standard? Means some other software which is not given or provided by a company, but you need to work your work, you need to do your work. I said yes. What you need? I want a laptop for the salesperson. I need a mobile phone as well, iPhone, and click on the next. Choose the option. You say you need a laptop. That's fine. I need a laptop. Yes. So you are be getting a Lenovo Carbon X. You want to see something? You can see here. Okay, this laptop I'm getting. Now, what is this? This is a catalog item, nothing else. A individual catalog item, if I say. Okay. Now, if I scroll down this, do you want the softwares? Yes. Happy. Now you want a new email ID as well. Generally, this thing has been taken care by the HR. Preferred email address. Atul Grover. That my email ID should be created via this name. I requested for iPhone. Yes. Black is fine. No, I want a silver. How many memory? I want 128. Again, this is what? This is the individual catalog item. And then, do you need any corporate VPN? I said no. Let me cancel it. I don't want. Any desk setup you want? Docking station, power station? Yes. Right? Click on the next. Preferred email address like this. I want like this. And next. Now I am getting these options. A summary. You go to the shopping center, you purchase the different things, and at last you are getting a summary. Now what I will do, I'll just click on the order now. For Atul Grover, yes, check out. The important point in order guide is that now only one request, but these are the different RITM will be created. Let's check here. Oops, I'm in the risk space, sorry. Okay, it's open. Now you can see. Let me change the workspace. Okay, now if you see here, this is my REQ and this is my related records. How many are there? 4. So for all these 4 items, I have a 4 different RITMs. Rest process is same. Maybe every request required RITM required approval. They have a task, they have X, they have Y, they have Z. No problem to me. But the basic fundamental is this only. Now we are going to be see that how I can create a order guide. Okay, clear everybody till this point? Tell me guys, everybody clear?
Yes.
Good.
Yes,
Who
sir.
left?
Yes.
Shan, Khushbu, let me give a call again to them. Now let's come here and search for the order guide. Order guides here. This is what we just discussed. Let me show you that how it has been created. Order guide is nothing. It is a combination of the different catalog items, but it itself is a catalog item because I told you, right? The last thing which I'll be ordering is become a catalog item for me. So I am doing the new hire as a catalog item. So same fundamental here. If you see name, catalog, category, description, short description, what do you want to do, all these things. The main concept come here. This is the main concept. Or I can say something else. This is the second main concept. This is what is a variable. Who is the hiring manager? What is the group of person joining? Remote employee, office, device, and all the things. This is what we saw in the beginning, right? More important is this rule based. What rule based says? If I am getting the answer of the mobile device, or let's say if I'm getting the answer for the standard package, let me open it again. And open this new hire one. Now, if you notice, if I scroll down, if I did not tick no here, it will not open anything for me. Let me do the same thing again. See, now if I click on the, because it is no here, let's see what it's be asking for me. Still, it has given the 4 options, but now it is saying you will get a monitor as well extra. How it is becoming? Let's see here. It depends on this answer, standard package. Yes or no? Open it. Okay, let it be open. This one. Type yes, no, new hire, order this. Okay, Will your employee need anything non-standard? If I say yes, by default is no. Now, if I say yes, Atul, where is the yes option? No is fine, but if yes, then what to do? Let's see, any option is there or not? There's no option available, right? Let's see. No option available. Now, if I put yes, then let me go back to my question here. Let's come back. When I say yes, only then I will get an option for the monitor, right? So if I say no, then I get the option for the monitor. Let's see how it is becoming. Come here and go to the rule based. Rule based means if from the previous answer I'm getting yes, then these things should be happen. If I say no, then these things should be happen. But I have to be creator. See, now I can see 9 catalog items. But when I say no, I'm getting 4. This is the point that why it is showing 4, because it is a rule based. Let's open the standard laptop. Let's open the external monitor just to be easily identified. What it's saying to us. Auto guide new hire. It says if user select the type laptop type is a developer, then add this one more catalog item. It means if user say no, I'm not a developer, I'm a sales guy. Then now if I go back here again, let me go to the previous. If I say I need a non-standard, yes, I need, that's fine. What you want? I want a sales. When you want sales, it means you will not get the external monitor, because the condition says if the laptop type I'm selecting is developer, only then this also include. Rest it is nothing. It is my catalog item only. You want to see this external monitor catalog item? Click here and you can see. This is nothing. See, it is catalog item only. Which catalog item? In the service catalog peripherals. Do you want to see this? Let me show you. So that you make sure that we are not doing anything wrong here. Leave, go to the peripherals, and you can see here. So we are not getting anything new. No, we are not creating anything new, guys. We are just clubbing them as per our need, but it is a rule based. Okay, so now this is our first point. Type condition, you have to put what item you want to be include. You can include. You say no, Atul, if laptop type is a developer, I want to give a 200 pound cash as well, or the cash voucher as well. Create a new, what I can say, catalog item and put it here. Now let me show you something more on that part. Let's see this one. Developer Mac. Open. Okay. See. Now if you notice, same condition. Laptop type is a developer, but they put if the standard package is yes, then give the Mac laptop. Now if you see here, if I go and go to the new hire. Okay. If I put, okay, and I put yes, and I put developer, yes, and I click on the, what is the condition it's saying? Sorry, let me close this. What condition it's saying? Standard package is yes and type is developer. So I'm putting standard package with a standard package. Will your employee need non-standard? I said no. It means I need the standard, but I'm not getting a, okay. Let's say laptop type. Okay, sorry, here let's put as a yes, developer, and then click on the next. See, now I'm getting the Mac Pro. Why? Because it's matching my condition. Nothing else it's doing. Nothing else. The option for this one. This thing, yes or no. Let's see from where these are coming. Non-standard part. This is coming from the variable. From this question it is becoming. He's so smart. He did not put the condition for the no. He just put the default value as a no, and that's all. If you don't want, then let's not proceed. If you want, then I will show you some question or the availability based on the this part. Let's see if anything else is available here. That's fine. Okay, so now you have to be think that how this is be working, and this is what we discussed just now. That this is a concept of the order guide. Nothing new here, guys. No, all set now. What you can do, you can create 2 or 3 catalog items and try to put them on order guide. The only thing which is being matter here is that you have to be go here and search for the order guide and then click on the new here. And then you can put it. Like if I put name LNG training, where I want to be show under which catalog. Let's say batch 8, नहीं batch 8 नहीं. Let's say training technical catalog. Technical again, technical we did नहीं है definitely. Let's say training catalog. Okay, fine. Category. I want to say the BA. Do you want some previous cascades variable? I don't want. Training booklet. Okay, copy and paste it. And just click on the save here. Rest all things you want something method order submit that's all default one. You can use it easily. And here it comes the rule based new. What I want to be include. Let me click on the new here. Why it has been stuck? Okay, it is view opening. In the meantime, anybody has any doubt, any question, any clarification required here? Clear everybody? Priya, Anna, MJ, Ima, EB, Kumar, Gloria, Omiko, Saba. Everybody clear?
Yes, Atulji. Actually, like these configurations and all will be done by developers or from the.
Everything has been done by the developers only. To do this configuration, you must have a system admin rights.
Okay.
Otherwise, you cannot proceed here.
No, IT user also will be having the same.
No.
Okay.
It is a system configuration, my dear friend. You cannot. It cannot be done by the ideal users.
Yeah, that's what I just want to confirm.
Okay. Okay, fine. So now you can see. Why it's been not opening here? Come on. Maybe we don't have any variable on the top. That is the reason. Maybe. But you guys can do this part very easily. Okay. So this is the what I want to show you from the order guide perspective. Okay. Now there's a new concept came. There's another concept came that is called the record producer. I gave a homework. What is the difference between REQ versus order guide versus a record producer? What is the answer about this? Tell me. Anybody? What do you mean by the record producer? Yes. EB. What do you mean by the word record producer? Tell me quickly, guys. What is record producer? Priya. What is record producer?
Kind of like a catalog item that allows the end users to create like records, incident records, and service catalogs.
Why only incident record?
Not only incident records, um, also task records.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
100%. Priya, what do you think?
When at a time only one record is generated, like incident record.
Hmm? Why incident you are saying? Only incident. Tell me why? Why you say only incident record? Why you did not say the request? That is my question. MJ, what do you mean with the word record producer? Tell me. Saba, what do you mean by the word record producer?
I think is a functionality that you can
Mhm.
use to create tax record like incident, change, and problem.
Okay. So you added two more words, incident, change, and problem. Okay. What else? What do you think, Ugo? Tell me, guys, please.
Can I, Atulji?
Go ahead, Kumar.
Yeah, the record producer is also like one type of catalog item through which we can create like task-based records. Task-based records means like incident, problem, or change through by the end user, like from end user perspective.
Okay. You again bring a new concept, task-based record. I'm still not getting why. Why you'll be using a, the words task or incident or change or problem? Why we cannot make it as a simple one? And this is very confusing. You will not believe this is very confusing. The work is easy. but the definition is tough and it is asked in the interview. What is the difference between order? What do you mean by the word record producer? Let me show you something here. And I want to go for the standard definition here. Okay. Yeah, this one. Oh, so you did it from here. So record producer is a specific type of catalog item that allow end user to create the task-based record. See, the thing is that there are 2 or 3 points which I would like to be discussed here. Okay, number 1 point, definitely via record producer, you can create only task-based record. Task-based means the tables which you have derived from the task table, you can put the record producer on the same. It means on the request table, I cannot use the record producer. I can use the record producer for incident, change, problem, or maybe in the task directly, but not the request part. Second point, it generates only one record at a given point of time. Like if you notice in the request management, when you put any request item, it creates 2 records. One is in the REQ table and one is the RITM table. So these are the 2 major difference between in the request RITM or the record producer. Okay. You also attach, nothing to do, you can still attach workflows on the in the record producer. Let me give you the example here. The best example which work in the industry is called the create incident.
Atulji, I want to add one more point here.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, record producer can be created by end user, like who is not having access, like backend access. End users only can create, I guess.
Even request item also, the laptop one again has been raised by the end users only.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yep. So anything which is available on the portal, it is only for the end users. Okay.
Yes, you are correct, Atulji.
So this is the record producer for me. The classic and the best example which work in the industry. That what do you mean by record producer? You can say create incident is a record producer. It just have 2 fields, urgency and the description. Let's say what it's be doing in the background. Hi, welcome, and I submit it. Now when I submit it, what I'm getting here, see, I'm getting an incident record. Why? Because it is a record producer and incident is a task-based table. Now let's see how this can be created. Come here and search for the record producer. And let me click here, new. Name, NG, training. Let's put like this. On which table you want to create? These many tables are available. Let's see, do we have a SC underscore REQ? Oh, we have. That's nice. It means we can create on the record bodies on this one as well. You can try. I actually never try. I never find a use case as well for this one. But if you want, you can try it. Let me say I want to be create for the incident table. Here. State checked out. No problem. What it will contain the short description. Gather copy and paste here. Okay. You want to put any metadata, you want to put any script, you can put it. As of now, we're not doing any script here. Okay. And now let me save it. My structure has been ready. Let me come and see here. Did we put any catalog here? In which catalog it will show up here? No, we did not put.
No.
As of now, we did not put, right? In which catalog, under which catalog? Because it is still a catalog item for me. Like if I show you this part, create, where I can go here, create incident, or this is the best example, get help. If I come here, this one, this is appearing under which, if I open it, it is appearing under can we help you, then create incident. Then where is my catalog? I created a catalog called in the training, right? It is nothing here. So now let's see where I can make a changes in this part. That is important. Now accessibility. Here you can put the catalog and the category. So I want this thing should be appearing in the training and category. Either you can create a new or you can create anything else. Let's say BA book, or maybe I can put category is called the service now. You can cancel it. Yes, you can cancel it. Let me save this and go here. And let reload this page. And I can get this one. LNG training. Sorry. Why it's not
It's under service now?
Service now, sorry, yes. This one. Now we will define the variables. Same thing, variable, either you can use variable set or you can use the variable. Okay, that is important here, but it is on the incident table, right? So let's create a one variable because this is important to understand where this will be assigned. I'm saying, okay, it is incident, but if I'm putting a field here, it should be mapped to somewhere in the background, right? So let me click on the new here. What happened? Why this new buttons are not working the list view? Come on. Is anybody make any changes? This is a UI action which is not working. Let me put something on the variable set. Let me put edit. Okay, it is working. Let me put this one, regular share information, and save. Okay, and let me save this. And let's see the next part. Reload this thing. Okay, one option is there. Now what I need to do the mapping. That one question which is appearing, it should map somewhere in the incident table. Then go to the generate record data. You can generate it via template. It's only giving a template only. Anything else I'm going to do? No, that's fine. or the portal settings is the same thing. I'm still struggling why it is not showing me the option that where I can map this field in incident table. Let me click on submit and let's open this. And let me do a search here. So now we have to do that. Why this mapping is not appearing? Let's go and check this mapping here first. Let's check a mapping for the create incident. Maybe we are missing something. I'm sure we are definitely missing. Where's the create incident? This one. Incident, that's fine. What it will contain, accessibility, all the things will be there. Okay. So in this part, you have to do this particular mapping actually. This is be required in the record producer. It is not like that you can map the field from here to here. So like this, they have a four catalog, sorry, four variables. But if you see this code, you will able to understand. Did they mention anything on the urgency? Let me show, let me see. Yes, so it's saying these things. Current.caller ID, comments, and then let me search for the, what is the name? Urgency. Caller only. We need to be see here where urgency is there or not. Hyperlink this portal, get user ID, find jQuery request table, service. This one, short description is going in the short description part. This one, like here. So here you have to be write a code actually to do the field level mapping. You remember that we have a inbound action, email inbound action. The same concept work here as well. The parameters you are putting here, the variable you're putting here, you have to do the mapping with the table actually. Now if I go here and open any other part, any other can be help part. Let's say create a new enhancement. So these are the four fields, right? Two fields, short description and description. Let's go and search for the create an enhancement here. Not my, sorry, record producer. This one. Let's come here and see. See, three variables. Okay. And then it is a mapping has been done. Okay. Open on your behalf. Maybe let's see what they're doing here. Let me open the short description. I'm sure that they have some mapping here only. Why it is not working for me? And I'm here. Okay, fine. There should be some mapping concept if I'm not wrong. Short description, annotation, type specification, default value. No, the same thing. Okay. So you have to do the mapping on the that scripting part only. Okay. But in the record producer, it will generate only one record, not more than that. Okay. This is what a concept of the record producer. You can create one or two record producer and you can check it. I'm not sure that why this new button is not working for me on the related list. Go here. Can we help generate record data? Nothing. but here we can do it. Maybe they're using some business rule as well. There's a concept called the business rule. You will say, Atul, there's a nothing code is written, no big code is there, right? You can track these things. Where the mapping is happening? Correct? Where the mapping happening? There should be some place where this mapping should be happen. So it's saying what it's saying? It's nothing much. It's saying only this table I'm using it, and on the table I'm creating this part. That's all. But where this mapping has been done, that may be a business rule, maybe a script. Let me see something. Let's see configure and let's see all. Everybody clear? Means that there should not be any confusion, guys, here. There should not be any confusion. It is easy one. Right? So there's a multiple business rules are mentioned here. Let's see anything with a word called the record producer. We have a record producer like this. Add fulfillment process set. Let's see, this one is a record producer. Let me open and see. Somewhere definitely this code should be written, that how the mapping has been done here. With this one, yes, something get unique value table. No, not this one. Okay, but you can get these things easily. Now try to do this part at your side. Okay, create a defect, create an incident. These are the basics record producer which you can use it easily. Like we say, this one, parking sticker, right? This one. Now this is a record producer, and this has been created on the request item. Let's open and see it. Where I am. Why it's not showing record producer? Come on. It means it is not a record producer for me. But it's coming in the can we help you only, right? Parking sticker, it should be a record producer then. Let's see where it is becoming then. Sorry, I'm showing my record producer. Oops. Now what you will do? How you will search this part? Tell me. I am trying to find in the record producer, but I'm not able to find this catalog item. How I can search in the background now that what it is? It is a record producer. It is a catalog item. What is it? And where I can go and search it so that I can work on that part.
Under service catalog, like maintain items.
What other place?
The order guide.
Order guide. Okay, what other place? The best what I can suggest, better go to this category here. Maintain item. Sorry, maintain category. And search for can we help, right? Open. And then scroll down and you will find it here, the parking. Let's see, it is here, parking. Right? Now I open it. and we'll see. We'll see what is this. It is a record producer or it is a catalog item. Now by seeing this, what do you think? It is a record producer or what?
It's not, I think.
So what is this?
It's a catalog item.
Come on, record producer also a catalog item.
No, because there is no table mentioned here now to insert the record.
Don't say that is a catalog item. Say it is a request catalog item. It is not a record producer.
Yeah.
Anything which is appearing on this page for user to be ordered. All these are the catalog items, guys. These are all the catalog items. But this is a service catalog item. This is the record producer. This is a record producer and this is a order guide. So don't be confused that Atul, no, it is a record catalog item. Everything is appearing in the catalog item only. That's all. Okay. So with this, I'm completing my request management wala part complete. Okay. Now what I'm looking for from you guys, I will share the two recordings with you, 2 or 3 recordings with you. Go to those recordings today. Okay. And do some practice on this part. Create workflows, create record order guide, create variables like this. Now let's see, Atul, how we can create a separate variables. Let me show you something more here. Like you can see the variable like this, right? How I can create the variable? Go here and search for the variable. Catalog variables. All variable, item variable, plan variable. I put all variables here. And create new one. Why it's taking so much time for me? It's not opening here. Come on. Something wrong, I guess, happened. Oh, it's working. It's working good. Okay, so here you can create your own variable. I said single line text, numeric scale. Okay. Catalog item, in which catalog item you want to be use it? You can do it from here as well, even though it is not a mandatory. So you can leave it as well. Do you want to put in the variable set? You can put in the variable set as well. Like I am creating a menu card where I want 5 variables should become in a variable set. So you can put it from here itself. Then you come for the question here. Annotation, type specification, default value, permission, availability, same. Rest all the thing. Nothing new is here. But the only thing is that you can do the variable set from here. That is important point to be understand. Because we are seeing that Atul, these are the appearing, but how I can create? So by this way you can create it. So now if I put the catalog is a BA box, right? And I like this put did that training. You want to put anything, you can put it 0 to 5 years.
Atul?
Yes, please go ahead, Saba.
Yeah, is variable set, is it like a template that you can reuse?
No, it is like a container which contains a lot of variable in it. Okay. So like when I have a kid and he was just 6 months old. Me and my wife planned to go out with my kid. Then she put a lot of things in her bag. 2 or 3 diapers, 1 extra t-shirt, 1 extra lower, 1 packet of biscuit, milk powder, 1 small water bottle, napkins, and all the things. This is because these all of the variables which I am putting in a one box. Now either we travel for half an hour, either we travel for the 2 hours, either we travel for the complete day. This box I'm always containing. Now things has been changed. Now we just have a one big bottle, one chips packet, one snacks packet, and one juice tetra bottle. That's all. Now it's become the another variable set. Maybe when he grow a little more, he will say don't anything guys, just let's take only one water bottle. Then only it become a one variable. But when you club everything together and you want to use, it become a variable. Better to use the variable set in that case. Clear, Sarah?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now let me do this thing. Let me click on the save here. Not sure it is the BA book that I don't pick up or not. Let's come here. Go here. Go to the training. Is this one or what? This is not the right one which we are using it. It is not saved till now. No, it is not saved. Adding a variable on the checked out item is okay. It means my variable, this BA box is already checked out. So I have to be check in. I have to be see where it is be checked out. Then I can add the variable there. Okay, maybe someone checked out from the background only. From the catalog builder, because you guys are doing some practice, so that is the reason it is not working for me. But this is the way that you can do at your side. Let me reload this page and we'll do some another R&D. What variable we have? We have a this thing. So slow, it's taking so much time. Give me a minute, let me put a charger as well, guys. Okay, let's change it to single to numeric scale. And now let me put to the LNG something, yeah. Let's say functional. Okay. Let's see, will it work or not? If this is also checked out, then we have to be checking again. Yeah, it's fine now. Good. Let's come here and go to the training. Go to the service now. Open the functional. Oops. Why function is not appearing, guys? Are we using the wrong or what? Maybe some other catalog where we're using some duplicates name are there. But by this way, you can create this part. If you want to get the variable set, same thing, go here and open the variable sets and click new. And here you can put the, but in a variables. Okay, how this, let me show you one thing. It's good. Layout is important here. That how you want this variable should be appear. Multi-row. You want to see like this, or you want to see the single row like this. If you want to add more, you can add. So now what I'm doing in the variable set, variable name, number one variable set. And you want it to be the layout 2 or 3, how you want to do it. I want 2-way. It's all about the presentation, nothing. 2-way means that how this will be appear in this place, like this you want to do, or you want to do it like break like this. That is the layout here. Like this personal is my variable set here now. Okay, and you can put here the variables. something wrong with this button. I'm 100% sure now. Now it's working good. For one, this I want to put the numeric scale, notation, rate, and submit. Now what I will do, I'll go to my catalog item. And I will use this variable set on my catalog item. This one. Now let's scroll down here, add a variable set, edit, and I can use my personal variable set. Save and save. Now if I come here, go to the training, service now, this. So now you are able to see like this. This is coming from the variable set. If you want to change the layout, easily can be done in the variable set. So nothing, no rocket science is there, guys. It is easy to do that part. Okay. Here. Everybody clear till this point, guys? Any doubt, any question? I told everybody don't take off. Go ahead, Kumar.
No, nothing.
Okay. Priya, Anna, MJ, Ima, Omiko, Gloria, Ugo, Saba. Any doubt, any question? EB?
Well,
There's a lot of clicking back and forth, so I find that a little confusing.
What
So,
control? Tell me.
I want to understand for the record producer, does he have to have the variable sets for each record that you create?
See, again, very good point you raised. Yesterday also the same point raised, I guess, by Olu. Okay, that how you know that this particular request required a, or this particular item required a 1 level approval or 2 level approval. Being a consultant, okay, let me give you one thing. Okay, I'm giving you few points and you just think about that. Everybody think about that points. Name, father name, address, age, gender, education, salary, family, one wife, one kid, picnic, orange juice, and now I can say center table, study table, iPhone, laptop. Now these are approximately 10 to 15 points I gave to you, EB, right? To everybody I gave it to, right? Right, EB?
Yes, correct.
Now if you need to make some category on this, what you will do? You will put name, father name, age, gender in a one variable called the personal information. Mobile phone, laptop, you will put in a one category that is called the devices. Third category you will create for the furniture. Center table, study table. You put another category. Now these categories are nothing. These are just a variable set. So tomorrow if I say, hey, EB, tell me what furniture I have. You will say, Atul, you have center table and the study table. I will ask Kumar, do you know how many devices I have? Yes, Atul, I know. You have laptop and you have my phone. How you guys are able to recognize? Via variable set. Like put juice and picnic. They cannot become in a one category. Maybe juice I'm taking on the daily basis my fruit in my breakfast. Picnic I'm going once in a month or twice in a month. Or twice, once in 2 months. So you can say, Atul, these are the separate variables. I am not able to put it somewhere in the category, right? Or if I give you more example, I'm sure you go to libraries as well, or you used to go to library. In a library, how the books has been managed. When you enter, the sections become like this: computer, literature, fiction, and science. You say, I want to go for the computer. You go into the computer area. In computer, you will get another part. Basics computer, advanced computer. You say, I want to go for the advanced computer. Next, it will say, do you want to go for the local writers, international writers, doctorates, top universities writer? You say, I want to go for the top university writer. And then you find a set of book. So these all are a variable set in a variable set named library. The same concept apply for everybody, for every category. If you go for the fiction, same thing. Fiction, you want to the imaginary fiction, you want actual fictions. You want science fiction or you want the human fictions, novels kind of things. You want a novel, you want a book. You want a research paper, you want a white paper. So these are called the variable set. When you club similar variable who are in the similar nature, then you can call them as a variable set. And the benefit of the variable set is that you can use them variable set at any place. Like I give example of Saba. When we have a kid, small, like I'm a father here. So I had this experience. In the beginning, in the initial days, when my wife delivered the baby, when we need to go anywhere, I have to pick up all the things in a one bag. And we never, when we came back from the picnic or when we came back from that journey, we never disassemble that bag. We keep that bag the same in the again Almira, because I know maybe tomorrow if I want to go, I just pick up that bag. Let's put one more example. 3 years, 2 years back, there was no concept called the face mask or the sanitizer. If EB want to go on the picnic, she just take care her goggles, her mobile phone, selfie stick, done. But now she added two more things in her picnic bag: face mask and the sanitizer. Now either you go anywhere, you go to church, you go to party, you go to marriage, you go for a picnic, you go for a restaurant, you always carry that particular bag with you, which contains sanitizer and which contain one extra mask. These are the variable sets for me. Clear, EB, now? And it depends on the architect that how you can use the best way. See, if my customer giving me 100 of the or maybe 50 or 20 variables, it is me to decide that how I can best optimize for the future use. So the training agenda which I shared with you, it is a variable set for me now. If anybody asks, I just forward it. If anybody asks the timings, I just have a standard message now. I just forward that. Because I know that if anybody reaching out to me, I can give these details and that's all. So now I can use that variable set anywhere. Either it's demand from the corporate, either demand from the individual level, either demand from the friend, anybody. I just forward these two messages. This is agenda, this is the fees detail, or this is the timing details. And my work done. Okay, good. So with this, we are able to close our request management ka topic end to end. Now switch on the cameras and get ready for the test. Get ready, guys, quickly switch on the camera. Come on. We have a test today, guys, don't worry.
I thought it was tomorrow.
Sorry? Okay, you're talking to your husband. Okay.
No, I thought the test was on Friday.
It's a Friday only, right?
Today's Thursday.
No, it's a Friday. Friday has been started. Okay, for you it's a Thursday, right?
Oh, okay.
For me it's a Friday. We
Oh
have
my
a
God.
test. Come on, get ready, EB.
Oh
Don't
my
be confused
goodness.
now.
Okay, give me a moment.
Yes, please. Everybody, Priya, Gloria, Anna, MJ, Amiko, Ugo. Open it, open it. It give me a confidence. I'm talking to the human beings. Okay, come on, come on. Ima, MJ, Ugo. Switch on the camera, guys, quickly. We just have a few minutes. Thank you, Sava. Gloria, Ugo, your participation is must now. Please switch on quickly. Anna, you also. Okay, so get ready for the first question, guys. What is the table name of a request item? What is the table
Yes.
name? No, don't speak. Put in the chat window quickly. What is the table name of the request item? Let's see who is the fastest finger. Okay. I need a reply from everybody. Come on. Gloria, Omiko, write it quickly. Next time I'm thinking to go for a half an hour complete game as well. I'll try something in my end now. Okay. What's the table name of SLA? Good. Right answer. Go ahead. What is the table name of SLA? Are you sure task underscore SLA? Or it should be SLA underscore task? Or it should be SLAs underscore tasks? Priya is thinking that it should be right now. Atul is confusing. Kaun banega crorepati? Go ahead, Sava. I'm waiting. Ugo, Gloria, I'm waiting for your answer as well. Anna, please go ahead. Quick. Quick. SL underscore task. EB, what is the answer? Quickly. No, you no need to be speak. Just write it in the chat window. Okay. What is the table name for an email? What is the table name for the email? Quick. Sys underscore email or emails? Are you sure emails only? Come on. Yes, Gloria, Ugo, I'm waiting for your answers as well. Please go ahead. Ima, MJ, write the answers. Don't worry. Nobody's going to be evaluate you here except me. What is the format of a sys ID? What is the format of a sys ID? And what is the length of sys ID? EB put 31, Kumar put 32, Priya put 32. You're speaking on mute, EB, that's fine. Speaking for a long time, but you're speaking on mute always. Okay, good. How many task types in our task table? How many task type? Are you sure? 4. EB. Can you write down the names, please? MJ, Anna, Ima, and Ugo. I'm waiting for your answers as well, guys. How many task type? Come on, come on, come on. No, EB, that's not a wrong. That is not a right answer. Yesterday we saw this thing. Day before yesterday we saw when Priya put a question, Atul, what is the difference between the create task and the create catalog task? Then I show. Okay. Now Priya, Kumar, Gloria, Saba, and AB. Don't answer. Don't write anything. I want Ugo, Ima, MJ, and Anna to be answer. Okay, guys, please. I want everybody participation here. Okay, so the question for you guys, let me start a little bit from the old statements. How I can check in ServiceNow what is the version of my ServiceNow at point of time? This question for Ugo, Ima, MJ, and Anna. They have to be answered it now. What is the command we use to search which version of ServiceNow I'm using at point of time? Go ahead, Ugo. I see that you are writing something. Ima, yes, please write. MJ and Anna. Saba, don't write. You're not allowed to be right here. Sorry. I want to be answered from Ugo, Ima, MJ, and Anna. Omiko as well. Omiko, I guess, dropped off. Yes, Gloria, very good. You're writing. Right. MJ, quick. System diagnosis, then stats. That's fine. That is also good. Otherwise, you can go for the not system diagnosis. Maybe you can directly search the stats. It's not stats. It's stats.do is the command which we use. But good try. Good. Okay. Now question for everybody. And it is from the recent one. How many core workflow activities we have in the workflow? Put any 5. Put any 5 quickly. Right, Kumar, it is not like I don't remember. You have to be. You have to be. You have to be. Put any 5. I'm giving you option. Go ahead. I'm just checking my WhatsApp for the previous questions. Notification, approval, on-call, timer. Okay, good. Okay, go ahead, guys.
On the question.
How many types of core activities we have in our workflow? And write any 5. Tell me, guys, tell me. Quick. Sub-workflow conditions. Okay. Go ahead. Ugo, Gloria, Ima, MJ, and Anna. you also have to be answer. Today is Friday. I have no worries to be login early, so I can spend 1 more hour. Don't worry. But I want answer from everybody. Yes, Ugo. Notifications, approval conditions, action conditions. Okay. Ima, what is your answer? Good, very good. You are writing. MJ and Anna, please write something. It is required. Tell me, tell me. I just count 5 and then you have to be enter it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Approval group and user. Saba, approval group is one of the activity in the approval. It's a under type. It's not the main activity. Okay, good. MJ says subflow. Thanks. Good, MJ. At least you guys are trying. I'm happy. Okay. Now the question come. What is the data source? What is the data source in the context of import set? I want just a one-liner answer.
Can you repeat that question again?
Yes, you have to write it. EB says XML. No, EB, no. It is data source is not XML. No. When we are doing the import set, we have two options: import from file, import from data source. What do you mean by the word data source? Ugo, Gloria, Ima, MJ, and Anna. I need this answer. JDBC, CSV. CSV, you can say the file only. Good, good, good. Go ahead, go ahead. No, not Excel. Excel, come on, EB, Excel is a file only. Okay, do this exercise. Check that what is this particular thing. Okay. Okay. What do you mean by the word? What do you mean by the word repair SLA on the incident form? We done that part. Your rolling eyes are telling me that Atul, yes, you told, but we're not be getting it now. What do you mean by the word repairing SLA on the incident form? Tell me. I'm waiting.
I think when you're trying to like update your SLA and it's not working, you can go over it and repair it so that
Almost.
maybe if you're having a cache issue, then you just go over there and repair it.
Right.
And it's going to update everything.
Maybe as the line indicate, the word indicate repair SLA means something which you expected should be work on the SLA, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, maybe configuration file is not working properly, your SLA not attached properly, then we use the repair SLA. Updating, you can say it is a word.
Update.
Okay. What is SLA? What is OLA? And what is UC? Full form, completely.
Yes. Okay. You want us to put it in writing?
Yes, or? in the writing. Is the FTP option for the import set? Yes, EB, you can use the FTP for the import set. And this is what actually we use via data source. So you can put your file at a given place and then you can run your job to pick up the file from there. Okay. Generally, we do this thing when we are getting some data from the customer and we don't want that customer send file directly to the service now. So they put it as some place. Service level agreement, organization level agreement. It's not organization level, no. No organization level. Correct pre-operational level. It's not underpin, it's underpinning, I guess. Just check the correct word. It's I guess underpinning is the one or underpinned as well. MJ, it's not contract, no. It is the underpinning only. Underpinning contracts. This is correct, sorry, underpinning contracts. It can be right. Okay, good. What is the retroactive start? What is the retroactive start in SLA? MJ, I'm happy that you are participating. Very good. I want Ugo, Ima, Anna, you also answer these things. Go ahead, please. Go ahead. What is the retroactive start? Quick, quick. Mention in the one liner only you have to mention. And coming to the last question now. Quick, retroactive start. SLA count from when incident is created. Very, very wrong answer, guys. Why you are saying only incident? Do you guys not create anything else in the service now other than incident? Don't use this word. Again, it's not a task. Let's put a word called the record. It can be task, it can be change, it can be problem, it can be request, it can be knowledge. But don't avoid using the standard words. It's a incident. No, because you are attaching SLA on anything. Answer is right, but the words are wrong here. Gloria says SLA counts from when the incident was first created. Not incident record was the first created. Okay, the last question. What do you mean by the word urgency, impact, and the priority? Ugo, I'm waiting for your answer here. Ugo, Gloria, Ima, MJ, Anna. I need answer from you. What is the difference between urgency, impact, and priority? Urgency is speed. Okay. Urgency is importance. Okay. Priority is order. Okay. Anna says priority is order. Good. Priority is a sequence. Urgency is speed. Then what is impact? Impact is a business. Okay. Impact is equal to affect. Okay. Urgency, how soon, impact on the business, priority is prioritizing. Kumar, what is the meaning of the priority? You are using the same word is in the equal to part. Okay, I'll give you one example. Okay, but before that, I'll last question. Which table is not available for us to make a report? Maybe this is a homework I can give it to you guys. You have to find out. Anybody please put into the WhatsApp as well. Okay, that What are the tables on which you cannot create a report and why? Search this answer on maybe in the Google and find out something here. Now the question comes, what is urgency? What is impact? Priya, you are watching my previous videos now, I'm sure. What is the exact table name? It's a CMN underscore choice. Okay, you are on the right track, but you missed out the table name. Okay, try to find out what are the other tables where you cannot create a report directly. Okay, Saba says impact business loss. Okay, let's say example, quick example, then we close the call for today. Let's say company's MD is coming to your location now. Okay, you're working from US and he's coming from Germany. He reached to the reception. He tried to swipe in his card to enter into the bay. His swiping card is not working. Okay. You also want to be entered into the bay. You also swipe. Your swipe card is also not working. Now, being a survey desk agent, as Atul Grover is a survey desk agent, to whom swipe card I should fix first? Is it employee or is it MD? And why? You can speak if you want to speak. Two people at the entrance gate of our office. One is MD, one is a fresher, just entered into the IT industry a month or 2 months back. Both swipe card is not working. Being a survey desk agent, I get the 2 tickets, one for MD and one for that fresher. Whose ticket I should pick up first and why?
MD.
With
Why?
MD, we can resolve the existing employee.
Why MD? Why not employee?
Because he's the chief executive. He's an executive officer.
So what? So what?
That's right.
No.
But it will be
You guys pick up the right answer, but why?
priority. We can prioritize like.
Why priority? Not MJ. It's not hierarchical. No, it's never hierarchical. No. I'll give one more example. I'm sure almost we are married here. My wife, I came to office. Okay. I have a kid and me in my home now. My wife is making a dinner. To whom she will serve the home, sorry, to whom she will serve the food first, to me or to the child? We both are hungry for a long time now.
Child.
Why?
Because child cannot tolerate hungry like.
Don't put that motherhood and other things. Be practical part.
Like elders can tolerate for some time for like food, but toddlers they cannot tolerate the hungriness.
It's all about impact and the urgency, guys. Here, being a survey desk agent, I will resolve the issue of my MD first, because if he is not able to enter into the office, there's a huge loss to the business. That is the impact. Urgency, he's in office, he need to be kick off one town hall. That is the urgency here. And the priority, definitely I'll put your point MJ now. He is the MD for my company. Okay, so by these parameters you have to be see that why I want to be go for this impact, urgency, and the priority is there. Urgency multiply impact become the priority. You can check, maybe someone again put the question in the chat window. You need to be check the impact, sorry, priority matrix table. Search with the word like this. Priority matrix.
Atul, I have the priority matrix table. Can I paste it if you?
It is almost standard for every company.
Yes.
So read about this priority matrix table. This is important from the ITL perspective as well. Okay. Good. Now you can switch off the videos, guys. It was a good test, and get ready for some practical on the next week. Practical means you need to be create catalog items and the workflow within the 10 minutes of duration. So get ready with your skill sets. Okay. So you can stop the this video now and let me take a quick attendance. Before that, anybody has any other doubt, any other question?
Yes. How many task type are there?
As far as I know, it's I guess six to seven are there.
Okay.
Okay. So incident, change, problem, these are three are there. And I guess then you have a SC task as well, problem task as well. And these are also available. So you can check on the task table easily. Okay. Go to the create task, like go here, Priya, let me show you, which we discussed yesterday as well, right? Where I can go in the system or what? Create task, my task not here. Advanced. Let me put task here. So like this is a normal task. Okay, and here you can find out the parent here. That not here. Maybe I can check something here. It's RTM showing me RTM only, right? But you will find it. You have to be open the task table directly. Not it is still in the st_ task, right? You have to be open the task table only. So in the parent you can find out how many these are there. So a lot of type will be there, definitely 5 or 6. So I'm telling you, and it's again depend if you install more plugins, more type of task will be there. The basics, but the basics which I can say, this thing incident, change, problem, and the respective tasks are there. Okay. Good. Kumar just paste that thing here, or maybe in the WhatsApp chat actually. Okay. Okay, guys. So let me stop the recording here, and we'll take a quick attendance. It's already a lengthy day today.